Start on here, and here, start up there. Car, two-car garage. Alright. Chip. I just take a quick video, so then I don't need to show it all the time. No person in my videos.
Hey Bob, just call me when you're done, okay?
I'm just 10 seconds. I'm done.
10 seconds, okay.
All right, here we go. The bathroom right over here. Turn on it. Yeah. Okay. The bathroom. Okay. All right. Here we go. Go out. Here's exercise. Go down. Jeff, I'm done.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm done.
Cool.
That's it.
Awesome.
All right. See you later. Thanks. Go out.